Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford's Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 in an AT4 trim and powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a hardtop tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. It does also have the two-stage tailgate, so you can open it up in stages, kind of, and configure that however you please. But let's take a look inside. Backs do also open up to give you some more storage space there, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and down or up here in the middle you have two more cup holders with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. And you do have a premium Bose sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 24,612 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, or actually you can cycle through your home, and then your information screen where you have all of your trip information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, air filter, brake pad life, fuel economy, transmission fluid, trailer brake, 4x4 status, and info page. You also have your now playing, navigation, phone controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your pre-collision assist and heated steering wheel. Further to the left, you have your tow haul mode, and then sport and off-road. And then you have your 4x4 controls, including 4 auto, all of your light controls. And then over here you have the controls for your heads-up display, which may or may not be very visible. You have your digital speedometer, and it'll show you some other information depending what you're doing. And you do have your radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel, which you can barely see. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, and Alexa capable, I guess. And then you have a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. You also have your seat controls here, or dual zone front climate. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, so that's pretty cool too. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats. Before I forget, you have your rear view mirror, which does also have a camera function, so that's actually a camera display of the back. And then moving down again, you have here your lane keeping system, park assist sensor shut off, auto start stop shut off, tailgate release, hazards, traction control shut off, your outlet power button, hill descent assist, trailer brake controller, 12 volts, USB, USB-C, and 115 volt power outlet, I believe. And then you have this tray area with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. You have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest with USB, USB-C, auxiliary, and SD card slot, as well as this tray that can be removed, giving you a ton of room in there. And this tray even has a little secret compartment, kind of, so you can throw something in there. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.